How you doing this morning? We got a new project we're starting. We have got a 1994 Nissan hardbody XE V6 four-wheel drive. So it sat for a long time and came out to move it. Battery's always dead. Pushed the pedal down. Nothing. Just absolute nothing. Just free. Free pedal. Nothing going on. At that point, started the master cylinder. Fairly simple to bench bleed right here. Hopefully without making a mess. And I'll push this in with somehow. Let's just push it in like this and see what stays. I've already done it. I might fill it up a little bit more. We don't want it to go down and suck air in. I'm just pushing the and then do that enough, get all the seals all set, and it should just cycle with no bubbles. At least now we know it's completely saturated inside. Simple brake bleeder kit. All the parts stores have it. It's fairly inexpensive, but get them. They work. Run a little hose over the top. I'm gonna go ahead and top this off a little bit more and set it in the truck. All right, just like that. There's the new one in. I actually did not bleed anything. I bench bled the master cylinder. I unscrewed that and let it sit all freaking night long and just bolted it on. I haven't touched anything over there yet. See what we see with the power of the back. Ooh-wee. All right. Let's see if we got enough power. Oh, we do. Oh. Okay. Well, would you look at that? Well, it's alive. I'm fairly thrilled about that. Let's see if we can get it into gear now. Hear an exhaust leak down there. Okay, here we go. Clutch in. Oh, first. Oh, watch. Oh, well, isn't that is just pretty freaking cool right there. Here, reverse. Almost grabs instantly. Okay. Well, clutch master cylinder, check. Okay, this is actually what I was planning on doing. I didn't even plan on the master cylinder until I went out to do it, but here. It's very, very doggy. And this is 94. Pretty sure this is OBD1, so there is just, what, unplugged plug wires. Check the timing. Working good. Bolts coming out of her. What do y'all think of this truck? It's my brother's truck. Passed away about 17 years ago. 4-wheel drive, 5-speed, manual transfer case, check engine light and all. Batteries from 20, yeah. Ooh, it works. So I've been researching a little on this truck today. Look at this. Air conditioner is running. Guess I should get the camera out. Feels like it's missing pretty bad though. It's freezing cold. It's cold in here. So, do I unplug plug wires? We're gonna think it might be injectors. Put some gas in it maybe. It is running rough though. We've had plugs and wires have been put on it since it has been running like this, and there was no change. So that says, you can tell those wires are not real old. Fuel filter looks maybe a little old. I've got some gauges right here. I thought maybe I could rig up. It's supposed to be like 40 pounds fuel pressure just anywhere in this line right here, so it's fairly simple. It's see if we got 40 pounds. If we do, then I'll go on forward. And these nasty freaking fuel injectors. I'm just letting it run right now, see if the AC still held. It's been multiple years since it's been ran. You can see the hood shaking. Man, it's quiet, isn't it? That's with the air running. It's just so low here. I'll take it up a little. I'm just fairly thrilled that the air conditioner held. All right, let's see how it changes when I show it off. You ready? Here we go. Not a lot. Definitely still missing though.